What if I told you you could build an entire AI influencer army with face, personality, and content consistent and never pay a dime? Most people think creating AI influencers means juggling 10 different tools, losing character consistency, and burning through APIs. But I'm about to show you how to generate a full AI influencer grid with Nano Banana, turn them into promotional videos using VO 3.1 for your YouTube channel or brand, all inside one workflow. I'm Shruti and I'm building Vilva AI specifically for this. No ComfyUI spaghetti notes, no Photoshop, no coding, just drag, drop, and generate. Yes, you can do this completely for free. Let me walk you through it step by step. Alright, let's jump in. Let's look at how to create an AI influencer from scratch. So now we'll generate the prompt for our image. Okay, now we have our prompt. Let's go ahead and create our influencer character grid. I'll pick Nano Banana Pro. Okay, here we go. We have our character grid. Which one do we like? Depending on the genre of our channel or character that we're trying to create, we need to pick an appropriate one. If the top right is something that we want, then it'll have to be probably a fitness oriented channel. The bottom left, lifestyle. Bottom right, gaming character. Top left, I'm not really sure. So let's go ahead and extract the influencers into separate grids. Here we go. Let's pick the most confusing of them all, this one. So let's go ahead and generate another style grid of that person in different settings of the same place or wherever she generally blogs. It can take the essence and keep the prompt generic enough for the models that we're trying to prompt with to interpret the image and give us the outputs. Let's go ahead and generate this prompt. If we wanted multiple such variations, since we are prompting it generically, you can do a 2x, 3x, 4x or how many other variants we want of that grid, so we get enough options to pick the best ones that suit us. Okay, it basically took our multicolored t-shirt very seriously. Okay, the grid prompt is ready. In a gym, in a city, in her house, desk, park, car. Okay, let's split this image up and then we'll pick one, generate a video, see how it comes. Okay, we've extracted the grid. This feels good. Let's try. Let's try upscaling this image too, just so we have another variant. I'll crop the white borders out. Perfect. Upscale it. 4x. The difference between normal upscaling and an image model itself doing the upscaling is it can interpret our instructions and give a much more intelligent output than a standard upscaler where it tries to interpret what pixel is supposed to be present in between the two that is already there, because when we blow an image up in terms of pixels, there'll be just so many more gaps. So let's see how Flux 2 Pro did. It's much better, but now I think we can do a standard upscale to get much more clearer output. Let's do, I think still Nano Banana Pro is one of the best models to go ahead and generate images or even upscale them with minimal instructions so that the original doesn't get changed. Now let's try and create a prompt for generating the video. Maybe we'll just give this one and ask Grok to generate our video. Minecraft 16. Okay, here we have the video.
Hi everyone, check out this amazing new outfit. I love the texture of this blazer, it's so soft. What do you think?
I think the prompt was confusing for the model. Let's try another one. Okay, we have our video ready. Let's try this one.
Everyone, loving this outfit today. The top is so comfy and the jeans are super baggy, perfect for a casual day. And these sneakers give me a little hype. What do you think of the look? Let me know in the comments. Bye!
It completed a very coherent monologue within that 10 seconds. This is very good.
Everyone.
So that is how you can go from an idea and start exploring different characters, create a grid of the influencer that we like with in different settings, pick one that is most suited for our idea, and then generate variations and videos of the upscaled image so that the model does exactly what we want it to. Now we can even add different products or different settings, some objects in the background, and then combine it with the image model, and then go ahead and generate our videos. Also, if we have an end frame in mind, we could generate that image and then connect them both to one intermediate node and generate a video with the start frame and end frame, so that it is much more consistent and coherent for posting on different social media platforms and go viral. You can generate this for free because Vilva has 500 free AI credits when you sign up, and every time you refer somebody, you'll get another 500. So that is there. Go ahead, try it out, and let me know in the comments what you think about it. See you.